Hi, I'm Nick from Ohio Power Tool. I'm with Chris. Really? Hi, I'm Nick with Ohio Power Tool. I'm with BVA Chris, and today we're going to look at this hand pump and this foot pump.
Treadle pump.
What?
The treadle pump.
What's a treadle pump?
It's like a air pump that you work with your foot. We also do have foot pumps that are similar to this pump.
Oh, I don't know what a treadle is. So how do these guys work exactly? It just seems like you just pump this handle here and then the magical pixie just shoots fairy dust and it lifts 10 tons.
If we use the principle of Pascal's law, you build pressure by pumping the handle, moves the oil to whatever application you're working on, cylinder or other accessory. Using the small piston here, it creates pressure equally in a larger area in the cylinder or whatever you're using, and it multiplies it by the diameter or the surface area that you're working with. So if you had like a 1-inch pump piston, it'd be, say, double on a 2-inch diameter cylinder.
So if it takes oil to push the pressure, do I have to put oil into this thing?
But when you first purchase these already come with oil inside them, inside both the reservoirs.
Okay, so again, if I wanted to lift 100 tons, this doesn't have the oil capacity that I would need for the cylinder, right? Even though it has that kind of pressure, it just doesn't have the oil capacity.
It depends on the cylinder. We have smaller cylinders that'll lift smaller amounts, but we also have flat body cylinders and smaller cylinders that are a wider diameter, but will only lift maybe even a 1/2 inch or 2 inches.
You can use any cylinder, it's just a matter of the stroke that you need.
Yeah.
But if you get one with a much higher stroke, you need a bigger oil capacity pump. So it's put together, we have it all assembled. Let's go ahead and watch the stroke.
Here we go.
Let's make it look like it's, yeah, there we go. Come on up, come on up. We got 6 inches?
6 inches. Within your kit, you'll get everything you see here, except for the treadle pump.
Except for the treadle pump.
Yep.
So
you only get one pump with your kit.
All right. But then if you do want the treadle pump,
you can
this
have
goes
it
away.
swapped out. Yes.
And then everything you need is right here, correct?
Correct.
This is kind of the equivalent to this.
Yes.
It's just a matter of preference.
Yes.
Really?
It's
okay.
Really a matter of preference, and if you have an air supply and how quickly you want it to work, because obviously this is going to go as fast as you can go. If you have an air supply, you can go ahead and connect that in here and then let your air pressure do the work for you. You just have to step on it.
Oh, I'm all about
It'll
that.
build pressure. Other side, release the pressure back to it. Easy.
Anything else? Did we miss anything? Did we cover everything? Is this professional? Again, you can buy all these at ohiopowertool.com. We have them. We have kits available on the website that goes from 10 to 100 ton. And you can also purchase all this stuff separately. So if you just need bigger cylinders, smaller cylinders, we have those available. Chris, thanks for coming out.
I'm glad to be here.
And thanks for watching. Deuces.